Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we were only left with cleaning out the food elevator, and that is what we will continue with today. So what we'll start with today is cleaning out the food elevator, see how it works so we can restore it later. And then we'll also work on the ceilings, like all the cobwebs and everything, clean that out. Obviously also a bit of the walls because the paint is chipping off, so go over it with a broom so all the loose bits will come off, so we don't have to, sweep the floor every 5 minutes. And once that is all done, we hope we can make a start with that little cleaning machine, make a round so it's a little bit cleaner. At the neighbors, like before I bought this place, I had a little run with my trailer and brought in a kitchen island, and I've stored that at the neighbors. So what I want to do today is clean out the basement, get the kitchen, and try to install it here. After that, we still have that one room that we forgot about, which we didn't clean out, which we thought we had. So that is if we have time, but time flies when you're having fun, so let's see how far we can get. So there's this main wheel, and this cable is broken, unfortunately, together with this is all rusted through. Also, time has taken its toll there. Connected to this steel frame are these two springs. So there's one spring there, one spring here, one spring there in the back, and a little rubber stop there as well to dampen the impact. So we also see this ring connected to the cable, which pulls it down. That's all that we can see right now. Let's try to take it apart and see if we can discover more of how the system. Come on, Speedy. Zo.
Of niet, daar zou ook een pijp naar beneden.
You just discovered the sort of a brake system, I think. Rod connects to the brake, which was the foot pedal that was above.
Ja, zo komt hij als je dat pakt.
Pedal, the foot brake, which connects to this little rod right here, runs all the way up there, it connects to that little arm right there, which in turn moves this rod right there, which is probably some kind of brake.
Hij tilt het wiel op.
Oh, it lifts the wheel. How? Oh, and then it pushes against some...
En die valt ook tijdens de remblok.
Oh, okay.
De remblok.
Oh, wait, so when we press it, it releases it.
Hij tilt hem op,
Yeah.
tilt het wiel op en dan kan hij breken.
Yeah, so when you press it, it's not a brake, it's the opposite. So it is permanently on brake. And so when you release, when you press down the foot pedal, it pulls this down, lifts the whole wheel system up here, then releases it from this brake, which makes it able to turn. And then you can change the speed by how much you lift the non-brake. Dampers, in case someone needs the soup to come up very fast. So now we can maybe get the cart to come up. Ooh. Wil je nog ineens verder? Yes. These are the guidance blocks that we talked about earlier, which we couldn't see because they were at the top. Campari. Campari soda. I think we found our third, is it third? Trophy. You know what would be really cool? Nice. To have like this wine elevator sort of thing. If you have some other ideas, please do let me know what we could make of this using this old mechanism. Air, very nice. Now let's get these lead weights out. Hello. So first order of business now is removing the panel so we can reach the rails, so we can remove this cart. Only this part to go, and then we can more easily take out these wooden supports. And once we have that, well, first take out the cart, then the wooden supports, and then that's it, I think. This is the construction that we got out. Seems to be in quite good condition. Quite good as in super rusty, but it'll survive. But the mechanism still functions. Look, that's the not break. Wow. Very smooth. Last piece to get out, and then this part is done as well. Ooh, yeah. House is almost empty. We got all this out. Well, Dad got all that out. Only those two chairs are left. That's my boiler. I think all the other rooms are empty now. Yeah, so let's get this done. And then we can finally get to cleaning with a little machine that we have. Jeez, it's only been like a week or something. All the liver crunk. Now we need to... Come on. last bit of rail is out. So now we got a complete clean shaft. All the way down.
Dit liel dit helemaal vast.
So almost everything is cleaned out. And by cleaned out, we mean that everything has moved here. Almost no space left. We've stacked until the roof. There's things from fridges, wardrobes. There's the beds from the third floor. There is absolutely everything. The food elevator is empty. All the stuff is removed from the tables to the piece of garbage, well, the pieces of garbage that were here, glass, everything. So now we can finally start using this little guy. Hello. I bought this cleaning machine secondhand, as by the way I did with almost everything that I bought for this villa. Almost everything. There's one, maybe two exceptions. Everything from every tool and every machine, everything I bought secondhand, because the idea behind this project as well is that people throw away too much stuff. So, but yeah, hopefully this little guy will help us clean. Instead of doing everything by hand, which is a major pain in the ass, or would be a major pain in the ass, now is a little bit easier, I hope. So, let's see if it works. Wow, what a difference. You couldn't breathe in here before because of the stench, but now it's doable. I mean, it smells like cleaner, which is not great, but still it's way better than what it was. So, okay, it's dinner time. Tonight I hope to be doing some more cleaning, because this definitely needs like 3 passes or something. So that's what I will be doing tonight. And then I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.